Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. This is update number 19 of the TFSA Wealthsimple Trade Portfolio. Thanks for everybody that has been following along so far. We've actually just passed 300 subscribers on the channel. So thank you very much for subscribing. If you aren't subscribed and you want to follow along, you can hit that little subscribe button down below. It is free to subscribe. It'd be great to have you follow along. What we are doing is growing our Wealthsimple Trade TFSA portfolio from $0. The goal is $100,000 and doing this through small deposits along the way. It is a new month, so I did do a new deposit last week, so we will see that on this portfolio update. I put $500 into my TFSA trade portfolio, bought a few stocks. Let's just jump right into the portfolio. We'll show you the stocks that I picked up and how the returns are going so far in update number 19. All right, here we are in our TFSA portfolio. This is on the Wealthsimple Trade mobile app. This is kind of, I think, the best way to display and follow along your stocks. You can also do this on the web, but the full functionality seems to always be on their app, which is what it's made for. So our total right now is $3,661.13. We've added $500 to the trade portfolio this week. Let's go through, we'll show you what we've added and how our stocks are doing for the week. So we still have 5 shares of the Brookfield Renewable Partners. This one over the past day was down on Friday, but on the past week we are down as well. We're down 89 cents, but that's okay. Long-term investment for this one. We will also be receiving dividends from this, so we will keep that in there. We are still though up on this, on our all-time return is 2.47% on BEP.UN. So not too bad on that one. Cineplex, this one has been up and down if you've been following Cineplex. And it actually went quite a ways down earlier this week, and I added actually 10 shares. So that was one of the purchases I bought with the most recent deposit, and it has started to go up again. So we are up. We were up at one point, about 21% on Cineplex. We are back up though into out of the red into the green. We are up 4.83% on with Cineplex, so $15.40 with our 25 shares. It was a good opportunity to get in and purchased about just over $12. So it brought our average cost down to $12.75. This is a new position, and I talked about this in a prior video. It is Cielo Waste Solutions Corp. If you want to check out on my channel, just head back and take a look. There is a video about this company. I've been watching this for a little bit. Of course, as soon as you buy it, it always seems to go down. That is Murphy's Law, I have learned of trading. But we have 140 shares of that, $162.40 right now, current value. Our average price bought in was $127, so we are down on this one, 8.74%, sorry, 15.55 altogether. But I think as a long-term play, go check out that video. It's quite interesting. This company is a renewable diesel company based in Canada. Check out that video I did. I will also link it down below so you can check that out if you're interested in researching this company a little bit more and possibly doing some your own due diligence and getting into the investment of that one. Greenlane Renewables, this one has been doing quite well this past week. We were down on the Friday, but over the week we were actually up 8.39%. So it's nice to see Greenlane Renewables starting to increase. So we actually are. We have 237 shares. We are up 10.35% on Greenlane Renewables for $37.34. So that's kind of nice. It did dip down on Friday, but I think we'll start to hopefully see these gains continue. And this is our long-term growth stock on the portfolio account. REI.UN, this one is our RioCan Real Estate Investment Trust. This one has been a good returns on our portfolio. Everything seemed to be kind of down on Friday. We were down on Friday 1.25%, but in total we are still up 8.19 for a total return 33.50 on our 20 shares of RioCan. This one has been quite good for the portfolio. We will keep adding to that position. TransAlta Renewables, another one that has kind of gone down, but we are down 1.05%. It's kind of been this last week. It did drop. I didn't unfortunately add more to my position. As you can see in the week, it dropped from the graph here. It dropped not quite a bit, but $2 a share. I just unfortunately had already done my purchases, so I couldn't get in and buy more. But it just seems to be trending down a little bit more. So I think for our next deposit, if it's still lower, we're going to be adding that to the portfolio positions as well. Solar Alliance Energy. This one, this was up on Friday, which was nice. One of the ones that was up. It's always nice to have some up. And we have 300 shares of this. We are still down 14.51%, but we were up 6.67 on the Friday. So that's kind of nice. We'll see this one hopefully grow in the long term, 2 to 4 to 5 years out. And our Telus Corp stock, we have 9 shares of this still. We are up 3.67%, $9.10. This one is a good long-term stock to hold and growth, but also for dividends. We will still be continuing to add to these positions as well for Telus Corp. TD Canada Trust, I haven't purchased any more of this. We did this one as a fractional share purchase just to try this out on the channel. But I believe it is up 2.47%, not too bad. We do, the reason I haven't bought any more of TD, if I have some, I do have some availability to trade. I just haven't done it yet. But in this next stock, the reason I haven't really added too much on the position of TD is the Vanguard Canadian High Dividend Yield ETF. This one actually has some holdings of the Canadian financial institutions. So just to not double up on anything, that's partly why. Majority of the funds go into VDY here. It's a diversified ETF, high dividend paying, and that's where the majority of the deposits go to. So we have 30 shares of this now. Our average price is $39.10. So we are up a little bit on that slow growth here. We are, but in total we're up 4.11%, 48.24 on 30 shares of VDY. Now let's just go over and show you the kind of return. So in the past month, we'll go through. We were down 18.95. This is for Friday. This is of last week. But on the week, we had actually not a bad week. We were up 24.67, 0.68%. It's always nice to have a week that is up and not down. But as we grow here, you can kind of see for the past month, we're 2.62%, up 93.53, which is nice on the portfolio. We're just starting out, so slowly we're seeing it start to build. But in 3 months, and now we are up a 135.36, 3.84%. So we have been going for over 3 months now, and we can see kind of our 1 year return, a little bit higher than that, 138.40, 3.93. So that's kind of where we are, and our all term will be the same. So we are up 3.93% on the portfolio so far for a grand total of $3,661.13. Thanks for following along the update. If you have made it this far and you have a question or comment, let me know down in the comment section below. Always appreciate everybody's comments and questions. I'll do my best to answer them. I am not a financial advisor by any means. This is just for my own kind of fun and research, but I will do my best to answer any questions you have about Wealthsimple Trade, or stocks investing in general. I will try to help you out. If you aren't subscribed yet to the channel, you can consider subscribing. Like I said, it is free to subscribe. It really helps the channel. We are just over 300 subscribers. I'm trying to grow this channel. The next kind of milestone is to grow this up to 1,000 subscribers. That would be nice to see in the next little bit. We are getting there slowly and surely. Building the portfolio, building this subscriber base. If you could help me out with the subscribe, that would be really appreciated. Until my next update, have a great week, everybody, and we'll see you in the next video.